doing? Nani's making snowball number 2.
This is perfect snow for it.
Yeah, the snow is perfect. Nice and powdery. Doing good.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
You're doing it.
Okay.
Oh, Grayson's putting the arms in.
Oh, good. He's got arms?
Yep.
Good job.
Good job, Gray. Put the arms in. No, on the sides, honey. Put the arms on the side, remember? Arms go on the side.
You're right. This thing can have a big head.
Yeah, well, that could be the middle. That could be the middle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Nani, you're strong. There. Nice. Middle body, torso.
Yeah.
What are you doing, stupid?